students, hope you're all doing good. Today in this episode we are going to study about potential energy of an electric dipole kept in uniform electric field. Here I would like to tell you something. You need to refer to one of my previous episodes where we have discussed about torque acting on electric dipole kept in uniform electric field. Yes, you need to brush up that topic in order to understand these steps smoothly. Go back to that particular episode where we have discussed torque on dipole in uniform electric field. So let's start with this potential energy of electric dipole. By now you are very clear. Potential energy is basically the energy due to position, energy possessed by a body due to its position, due to its configuration, due to the work done in bringing the body to that particular location. That work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So based on these lines, let's move ahead. These lines, parallel equispaced lines, they represent uniform electric field. Direction is indicated. What is this? Minus q to plus q. Yes, it's electric dipole. It's an electric dipole. It's a vector quantity, dipole moment, and its direction is from minus q to plus q. Dipole moment vector. Dipole is making angle theta with the electric field. This is our given situation. So let's work on the potential energy. Potential energy, here we will work on the lines that we will calculate little work done in shifting the dipole, and we will say this work done in shifting the dipole is stored in the dipole in the form of potential energy. So as I told you, we are already familiar with this particular expression. What is this tau? It is the torque. Torque acting on this dipole with dipole moment P, and E is the electric field in which the dipole is kept. Sin theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle which the dipole moment vector P is making with E, electric field. It is the angle between P and E. For this only I was telling you, refer to that particular episode. Now suppose I have to calculate small work done in shifting the dipole from some angle theta initial to some angle theta final. Then work done, you know, for linear or translatory motion it is force into displacement, and for rotational motion it is force is replaced or force is analogous to torque, and linear displacement is analogous to angular displacement d theta. Small work done is tau d theta, and small work done, in place of tau I can write P E sin theta d theta. Now what is total work done? Total work done is integration of small work done. Integration of small work done is integration of P sin theta d theta. Now the limits applied from 90 to some angle, general angle theta, means we are assuming initially your dipole moment is perpendicular to electric field, and you are aligning it to some angle theta from 90 to theta, theta initial, theta final. So using the integration formulae, integration of P sin theta, we can write it as work done is equal to PE is a constant, P is a constant, dipole moment vector, E is uniform electric field. Integration of sin theta is nothing but minus cos theta. Integration of sin theta is nothing but minus cos theta, and the limits 90 to theta. Substituting the limits, what am I getting here? If I put, then we can write it as work done is equal to P E. I can take the negative sign out here, or we can write it properly. We can write it minus P E. This cos theta, putting with the limits, cos upper limit theta minus lower limit cos 90. So what am I getting here? Minus PE cos theta minus this cos 90 is 0. So anyway, I am getting work done as minus PE cos theta. Now what is this work done? It is nothing but this is the amount of work which is done in shifting the dipole from some position which was perpendicular to electric field like this to some inclination like this. From perpendicular position to some position like this. This is the amount of work done. and this amount of work done is stored in the dipole in the form of potential energy. Potential energy we are denoting by, this is potential energy. We denote it by the symbol U. This can be written further as U is equal to Pe cos theta. Can you compare it with AB cos theta as dot product of two vectors A and B? Here two vectors, potential, this is a dipole moment P, electric field is a vector, dot product of two vectors, magnitude of first vector, magnitude of second vector, cosine of the angle between the vectors. So I can write it as first vector P dot E. This is P dot E, dot product of these two vectors. We can similarly find out some angles for which the equilibrium can be defined as stable and unstable. Suppose we can work it out for here. We can work out if theta is equal to 0. If I put theta equal to 0, then the potential energy will be minus P dot E. Now what is it? This is minimum value of potential energy. This is minimum. And when it is minimum, you call it stable equilibrium. This is referring to stable equilibrium because minimum energy corresponds to maximum stability. Second situation, if theta is equal to 90. If theta is 90, then potential energy straight away up front we can write it as 0 because Pe cos 90 is 0. So this is your second situation. If theta is 90, potential energy is 0. This is your first situation where potential energy is minimum and the equilibrium is stable. Now the third situation we can write somewhere here. If theta is equal to, we can say it is 180, anti-parallel, dipole moment and electric field are anti-parallel. Then this becomes Pe cos 180 is minus 1, minus minus becomes plus, so potential energy comes out to be plus Pe, and this accounts for maximum potential energy. When the potential energy is maximum, then you can say the equilibrium is unstable. We will write it as unstable equilibrium. This corresponds to anti-parallel position corresponds to unstable equilibrium. Parallel position corresponds to stable equilibrium. This is your first situation. This is your second situation. And this is your third situation. I hope you got it. So as I told you, have a quick revision of that episode of Torque. Then you can go through it. Thank you. All the best.